Welcome to the final episode of our 12-week data science series on Let's Talk About Data. This week, we're answering the big question: what's next? How do you turn your skills into a career? Think of data science as a tree. From the same roots, you can grow into different branches. Data analyst, data scientist, machine learning engineer, data engineer, BI developer, and even AI researcher. Pause this video and comment below. Which career path are you most excited about? Each role demands a unique skill stack. A data analyst leans on SQL, Excel, and Power BI. A data scientist dives deep into machine learning and statistics. Know your destination to plan your toolkit. Download our free cheat sheet from the description to match skills with your dream job. Your resume is your first impression. Make it clear, project-focused, and keyword-optimized. LinkedIn, that's your 24/7 networking assistant. Take 5 minutes after this video to update your LinkedIn headline to Aspiring Data Scientist, Python, SQL, ML, Portfolio and Bio. Tag us on LinkedIn using #Let'sTalkAboutData and we'll feature the best ones. Go beyond the obvious. Apply smart, filter by skill, tailor your resume, and most importantly, apply consistently. Drop your favorite job site in the comments. We're building a community list. Can't find a job yet? Create your own opportunities. Freelance projects build credibility. Contributing to GitHub builds trust. Try adding a GitHub issue or making a PR today. Start small. Maybe fix a README. Learning never stops, but don't let that overwhelm you. Build, apply, share, repeat. That's how you grow. You've reached the end of our 12-week data science journey, but really, this is the beginning of your story. Subscribe, share your journey in the comments, and don't forget to tag us when you land your first data role. Thanks for learning with Let's Talk About Data. See you in the next series.